Hi guys, welcome to Up and Away with Sunny YouTube channel. If I return, thank you very much for always returning to my channel. I have decided to make this vlog now while I'm in Spar, that I just want to take you along with me as I'm shopping. In Spar, at this section, then I will take you to other shops. I hope you will enjoy this content. Before I forget, I will finish all the shops in town. I was already in Agra, and I was already also in fruit and veggie. I was in Keetmanshoop, Pep, and from here I'm going to the mall. Um, Stay tuned. I'm in the queue, but it's very long. I'm driving, going to the mall. I'm going in metro, and after I will come back here to this mall. Now I'm going in Hungry Lion, and after I will come in Shoprite, then I will go to Vroom and Brook, and I'm done. This is what I bought so far, but I'm just going to two shops, and after I will go home.